Cat. Domestic, feline mammal, often kept as a pet for companionship. Example: Gray cat chased a mouse.
Gray cat chased a mouse.
Cat purrs when petted gently.
Cat purrs when petted gently.
My cat loves sunny spots.
My cat loves sunny spots.
Fat cat enjoys eating treats.
Fat cat enjoys eating treats.
Striped cat hunts in gardens.
Striped cat hunts in gardens.
Cat stretches after waking up.
Cat stretches after waking up.
Playful cat bats at butterflies.
Playful cat bats at butterflies.
Cat hides under furniture sometimes.
Cat hides under furniture sometimes.
Cat's gentle purring soothes me.
Cat's gentle purring soothes me.
Dog. Domesticated canid known for loyalty and diverse roles as pets. Example: The dog barks loudly.
The dog barks loudly.
My dog loves fetching balls.
My dog loves fetching balls.
Friendly dog wags its tail.
Friendly dog wags its tail.
Brown dog digs in the yard.
Brown dog digs in the yard.
Dog's nose is wet.
Dog's nose is wet.
Dog's fur is soft.
Dog's fur is soft.
Black dog is playful.
Black dog is playful.
Small dog barks at strangers.
Small dog barks at strangers.
Old dog naps in the sun.
Old dog naps in the sun.
Dog sniffs around the park.
Dog sniffs around the park.
Fish. Aquatic vertebrate with gills, fins, and scales living underwater. Example: Colorful fish swim in the aquarium.
Colorful fish swim in the aquarium.
Fish glide through the water gracefully.
Fish glide through the water gracefully.
Goldfish live in a glass bowl.
Goldfish live in a glass bowl.
Tropical fish have vibrant patterns.
Tropical fish have vibrant patterns.
Fish tank needs regular cleaning.
Fish tank needs regular cleaning.
Fish school for protection.
Fish school for protection.
Fish dart away from predators.
Fish dart away from predators.
Fish breathe using gills.
Fish breathe using gills.
Fish come in various sizes.
Fish come in various sizes.
Rabbit. Small mammal with long ears, often kept as a pet. Example: Pet rabbit loves carrots.
Pet rabbit loves carrots.
The rabbit hops in fields.
The rabbit hops in fields.
White rabbit nibbles on grass.
White rabbit nibbles on grass.
Rabbit's fur is soft.
Rabbit's fur is soft.
Rabbit's tail is fluffy.
Rabbit's tail is fluffy.
Rabbits multiply quickly in spring.
Rabbits multiply quickly in spring.
The rabbit digs a shallow hole.
The rabbit digs a shallow hole.
Wild rabbits eat fresh greens.
Wild rabbits eat fresh greens.
Rabbit's paws are small.
Rabbit's paws are small.
Children enjoy petting the rabbit.
Children enjoy petting the rabbit.
Parrot. Colorful, intelligent bird species, mimicking speech, popular as pets. Example: Colorful parrot perches on branch.
Colorful parrot perches on branch.
Parrot's feathers are vibrant.
Parrot's feathers are vibrant.
Parrot's beak is strong.
Parrot's beak is strong.
Parrot's cage needs regular cleaning.
Parrot's cage needs regular cleaning.
Parrot imitates sounds around it.
Parrot imitates sounds around it.
Parrot eats seeds and fruits.
Parrot eats seeds and fruits.
Wild parrots fly in flocks.
Wild parrots fly in flocks.
Parrot's eyes are keen.
Parrot's eyes are keen.
Parrot's tail feathers are long.
Parrot's tail feathers are long.
Parrot's call is distinctive.
Parrot's call is distinctive.
Tortoise. Land-dwelling reptile with a hard shell moving slowly. Example: The tortoise crawls slowly.
The tortoise crawls slowly.
Tortoise hides in its shell.
Tortoise hides in its shell.
A tortoise's shell is strong.
A tortoise's shell is strong.
The tortoise eats leafy greens.
The tortoise eats leafy greens.
Pet tortoise grazes on grass.
Pet tortoise grazes on grass.
Giant tortoises can live long.
Giant tortoises can live long.
The tortoise carries its home.
The tortoise carries its home.
Turtles have a slow metabolism.
Turtles have a slow metabolism.
Tortoise lives a simple life.
Tortoise lives a simple life.